Uh. So, I still don't have a voice. Surprise, surprise. And, I don't even know what to say. I'm really tired. I'm actually gonna take a nap. Take a nap after I stop sneezing. So, maybe next year at this point. There's more in there. It's just teething me. Whoa. That was a lot. It just kind of is like relentless, honestly. Yeah, I am not like feeling great today, but that's just, allergy fatigue. And then I haven't been sleeping very well because my throat hurts really bad, to the point where it actually is keeping me up all night. But like, I'm still not sick. My eyes are still itchy. And even if I were sick, this is dragging on for way too long with like no fever or anything else. Like, no, it's definitely allergies. It's just, I don't know. I'm gonna sneeze again. Oh, I can feel it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. Okay, I need to focus. Oh, it's right there. And it just won't come out. Oh my god, that's frustrating. Alright, I'll let you know if it starts up again. Oh my god. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. I'm gonna try to go to sleep. I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'm just gonna do what I can and see if I can take a nap. Alright. Bye guys. I'll be back.